Hello and welcome to this tutorial in which we're going to show you how it is that you can redeem your reward points through your Gano Excel back office in the United States. Gano Excel offers reward points for all the product that you purchase on automatic through your credit card on the dates available of the 1st, the 5th, the 10th, the 15th, the 20th, or the 25th. For all product that you purchase, you will earn reward points, which you can cash in for products, free products. To do so, all you have to do is go to the bar menu on the left-hand side, go to where it says Me, press that, and it'll give you an option to My Rewards. You have two options here. You go to Start Redeeming. In this case, we have 72 points. We're going to go to the 3-in-1 as an option, buy one of those. That'll cost 24 points. We're going to also choose a cereal, one box, that's 24 points. And we're going to go ahead and wrap it up with a Tonke, which also has a value of 24 points. That'll bring you down to available reward points to 0. We used up all the points. We now go to the redeem cart, and it shows you your summary. Proceed to checkout. And it's really important in this area to make sure you fill in all the gray areas. So we're going to go ahead and choose will call for the purpose of this example. We're going to go to Maine, in which it's going to show that we are going to be picking up locally in the offices of Chino, California. If you are not in California or at a distance, go ahead and put in the shipping address. Go to billing. We're going to go ahead and use another billing address versus what's currently there, and I'm just going to put in this address as an example to see how easy it is to fill in all the spaces. We're going to confirm the address. The address has been added. We're going to go ahead and select will call. You're also going to do the payment area. It's really important that you fill in all the information and that you do put an actual credit card. If it is on will call, you will not be charged, but you do need it put in a credit card information. If you're going to have it shipped, then there will be a shipping cost. The product is free, but they will bill your credit card. In this case, I didn't put in the credit card information, so it said invalid payment. Once you put in all the information, you go ahead and finalize the order, and it will say order complete. We hope this information was helpful to you. It was very simple, and that concludes our tutorial on how to redeem your points. Thank you and be well. Bye.